Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage a Google Gemini extension. So in here, if you want to add or remove an extension on Google Gemini, you can just go to your profile, click on your photos at the top right corner, and there will be an options extension. So tap on that. So Gemini extension can help you bring it all together, like with YouTube, with maps, flights, and hotel. So if you scroll down, these are the list of Google Gemini extension. And here you can turn it on or off by clicking on the circle in the name of the extension. So now it's currently on. If you want to turn it off, just click on it until it's turned to gray, just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.